Now, I'm getting more fresh and chilling inputs, viewers, as far as this case is concerned. Now, the latest is that details have emerged in the Ketan Agarwal murder case out of Pune. Police say it was Chetan Chaudhary, the alleged lover of Agarwal's fiancée Sia Goyal, who pushed the 26-year-old realtor off the cliff at Lohagarh Fort, acting on a pre-arranged signal from Goyal. According to investigators, the couple had worked out a covert cue in advance. Goyal was to bend down in front of Agarwal, and that gesture would be Chaudhary's go-ahead to push him into the gorge. Police say that's exactly how it played out on June 18. Now, Shweta Verma is joining me with the latest updates. Shweta, this is extremely shocking. The way this murder was planned, the kind of conspiracy that she's done to push him off is absolutely disgraceful. Now, about this latest incident, how did these details emerge? This, of course, came out in the police questioning, but what is the latest that you're gathering?
Well, that's right. It was a part of police investigation, and while questioning the two prime alleged accused, that's Sia Goyal and Chetan Chaudhary, there was this intense interrogation which expanded for more than 5.5 hours, and the SP of Pune Rural Police, Sandeep Singh Gill, was leading this investigation, wherein he questioned both the accused, and they stated how did they actually plan and strategize the case, that how are they planning to push Ketan Agarwal at that point at Lohagarh Fort. But yes, as you have correctly mentioned, there was this code word also, the hand gestures that were decided, in fact pre-decided by Sia and Chetan. They discussed about it extensively, and then on 18th of June, finally, they went to the Lohagarh Fort, and it was said that allegedly Chetan Chaudhary was the person who pushed Ketan Agarwal, and he had fallen at the deep down the gorge, which is said to be around 400 feet down. And clearly we see that it took many hours of rescue operation, and eventually we see that it was said to be an ADR, but later on it was seen that how the murder case was registered under the relevant sections of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita Act.